In 945, a remarkable accident changed the way we cook forever. Percy Spencer, a brilliant engineer working on radar technology, noticed something unusual while testing a magnetron. He felt a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he decided to experiment. He placed some popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and to his amazement, they popped. That moment sparked the invention of the microwave oven. Imagine that, a simple chocolate bar leading to a revolutionary cooking method. Spencer realized he could harness microwave radiation to heat food quickly and efficiently. Fast forward to today and we can reheat leftover pizza in just minutes, all thanks to that serendipitous moment. The microwave has become an essential kitchen appliance, making our lives easier and our meals faster. So the next time you enjoy a hot slice of pizza, remember Percy Spencer and his accidental discovery that transformed our culinary world.